brutal killing, rape of lady doctor at Kolkata. You want to say something?
Yes.
Yes, please.
So we are doctors from PGA. By now, everyone would have known what is happening in Kolkata. But this is not a rape against a doctor.
Right,
First of all, that is a rape against a woman working at her safe place.
right,
So, workplace safety is the for, must for everyone,
right,
especially doctors, because we are facing the people. We have sensible patients, and life and death happens in hospital, where we have to face the emotions of people,
right.
where people can become emotional and they can attack doctors. You know that these things, if someone hits a police, they have a rule. If
Right.
someone hits a
One
lawyer,
question
they
for
have
you.
a rule.
One question for you.
Yes,
This
sir.
has happened with the lady doctor.
Yes,
If
sir.
same happened with any girl, common girl,
Yes.
will you do the same?
Yes, we will support the same, sir. Woman is a woman for everyone. Life is a life of everyone. We are here saving lives, and
Every life
Right.
matters.
Do you know one rape has happened in Ayodhya?
yes,
You know?
yes.
So,
We are seeing on daily basis rapes are happening all over the India. This should end.
how this should end?
Basically, there should be stringent actions, because now you know that in law there are no rule. Matlab, there is no rule
Protection for the
for the
protection.
protection of women, and if such things are happening, there is no stringent rule that these people should be hanged
Okay.
within 1 week of this happening. Culprit should be holded and they should be hanged.
There should be fast track investigation
Right.
and capital punishment for it.
And do you agree that rules for rapists and other criminals that should be changed?
Should
Yes,
yes,
definitely.
definitely should be changed. Just because of these rules only, they are more and more are happening, because they know that they can get away if they have some money or some political
Political
background.
support.
So this should end.
Right.
That is our main
Okay.
motto.
You want to say anything to Honorable Prime Minister or the BJP government?
Yes. Please catch the culprits and give capital punishment. And we beg you to give us safety at our workplace.
Okay. Okay. Capital punishment to whom?
To the culprits and people who are supporting them. Those are
My question is that you are protesting against the rape and the death of a resident.
yes.
Huh? Why you are not protesting against the rape of any other common girls which had been raped at Ayodhya, which has been raised in Uttar Pradesh
This is
also?
for
No,
every girl,
we
every
fight for
woman,
every
and
single girl,
yes,
and just because she's from our community and she was at workplace, that this was not expected. This was not at all acceptable. That's why we are fighting for her, and this is not just fight for our doctor who got killed. This is fight
Okay.
for every woman
Yes.
who is
Yes.
getting raped.
we are promoting women's safety here.
Women's
We are
safety.
asking people to promote women's safety
Women's
on a
safety.
whole.
And you know there's a women commission also. Have you ever approached the women commission also in this regard?
If that was working properly, then why are these many rapes are happening?
Then in your do you know then in your opinion this women commission and whosoever is heading the women commission that should be stopped
No,
or should
they
be,
should
they
they
should
should force the government to get a stringent rules against these rapes, and those should be killed. Those should be hanged in public,
in
so that
public, yes,
people get to know that they should never repeat this.
repeat this.
Now everyone knows that only, after these many rapes happening these many days, only for Nirbhaya they got hanging
Nirbhaya,
punishment.
yeah.
Rest of the rapes, those are also rapes. Those are also murders against our community, our people, our women. Those are some children of some females, and those are sisters of ours. So the rape is a rape for everyone. Everyone should get a capital punishment. Then only this will decrease.
Right, sir. Very nice, very nice to talk to you. Residents from PGI they are protesting at Sukna Lake. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.